I can use whatever color I want. In Godot's documentation, we have a tab called Controller Features, and you can read about LED color, and we have some example code down here. Of course, your controller should support LED light. I'm using a DualShock 4 and I connected it to my PC with Bluetooth. You can use input.setJoyLight and you have to give it a device ID. 0 means the first controller, which Godot recognizes, aka your player 1, and a color value. For a color, I'm going to use a color.magenta, for example. And if I run the program now, the LED lights turn magenta. If you want to do something like this in your game, you probably want to check to see if the user has a controller which supports LED, and to do that, you can use the input.hasJoyLight and you're going to give it a device ID. I'm going to give it a 0. Let's print the output of this. And because my controller supports LED, it's going to return true. If it doesn't, it's going to be false. But let's say I want to make a program that lets users to customize their own LED colors. So how can we do that? You can use a color picker or a color picker button. Doesn't really matter in our case. I'm going to put it in the center. And color picker is going to give you a signal which gives us the value of the changed color. So whenever we change a color, it's going to give us the value. And we can use our input.setJoyLight, my first device, and for the color we can provide this color here. Since this is a separate function, I'm going to use a variable called LED color, which is going to be a color, and here we can set our LED color to color. So whenever we change a color, it's going to set it to our LED color, and here I'm going to pass it to my setJoyLight, which is running every frame of the game or program. So now it's going to be black at first because our default value is black. But now I can use whatever color I want in my controller. And I really enjoy doing this type of things. And if you want to learn about motion sensors on controllers to control for like mouse or something like that, or aim or rotating objects like the documentation, definitely let me know in the comments. That's it from me. Bye for now.